Hello legend, welcome to Unreal Engine. Today we will learn how our NPC dynamically follow our player character, and we also can stop following our NPC, and this is a easy tutorial for beginner, and by this you can make a dynamically following NPC in your project. So let's begin. We are making a dynamically follow NPC. So for this, we go to our third person grouping, and in a previous video, you can see we make a BP NPC. We make this NPC that's randomly um, move our map. You can see this is our NPC previously we made. If you missed this video, please watch it again. And now we are making a NPC that can follow us dynamically. So for this, this is our BP character, BP Candy. You can see in the wall settings. This is our player character, BP Candy, and we just make a copy of this character, and we just select it and just Control D here, and oh sorry, I make a mistake here. I just copy this, duplicate this character here, and we name it BP follow MPC. Okay, and we open this here, and in the viewport we don't need the camera for this MPC. We just delete camera boom and camera and compile, and for the mesh we select another character. We just select the Jasper character again. Okay, and this will be this Jasper character will be follow us, and we make another NPC here. You can see, and this is our follow NPC here, and you can see this is our follow NPC. Okay, so here for this character, we make a blue pin enumeration here, and we name it NPC follow command. Okay, and we open this, and here we add some command here. First command will be none, and another we name it follow, and add another, we name it stop. Okay, so we made the enumerator here, and we add some command here. Window, and here now we open our BP follow MPC, and in the event graph we also add our command here that we make. So we are going to the variable, and we just rename it MPC command, and here we select this and search follow BP follow MPC command. We make BP follow MPC command, MPC follow command that we make now. Okay, and we just compile it, and if we compile it now, you can see we have some option here, none, follow, and the default option we select the none. Okay, so here we make some custom event here. First option will be follow, and second will be stop. Okay, just Control D here, and we rename it stop. Okay. Okay. So for the follow function, we first set our command here and we set it to follow, and we also add here AI move to. So this MPC will our pawn. So we select self, it reference self, and for the target we need our player character location, and our player character location is our BP candy character. So we need to add our BP character here. So we just get actor of class here, and we select our BP candy character, BP candy character, and for the destination we need our player character location. So we search get actor location. Okay, and we just drag it to here. Okay, and after the finish the following, if you first we have to test it. Okay, so for the commanding we also need a widget. Okay, so here we make a widget here, uh, user interface. We are going to widget blueprint, select user wizard, and we name it WMPC. We open the widget here, and first we add a canvas panel here. We drag it to our viewport, and also we add an image here. We just drag it here, and for the anchor we select the corner of our display, and here we drag it and make it bigger. And you also add your custom image here, and I'm just for the class I'm just using the blank, and we color change the color to green here and press OK. And also we need a button here, and also change the anchor to the corner of our display here. And also we need a text here, so drag the text here, and you can see the text is bigger than our button. So we just make the size is small and change the text is to follow. Okay, and change the color of the button red. Okay, and drag it more upper here. Okay, and for the button we select the button and go for a command on click, and here if we press this button we need our character. So we just get actor of class, and for the commanding our BP follow MPC we select BP follow MPC, and we make a already we make a custom event here follow. So we search here follow. Okay, follow. So when we press this our character will follow us. And also for the beginning of our level we have to set our widget here. So we just open our level blueprint here, and we search create widget. Okay, and we search WMPC, the widget we make now, and we also add it to our viewport, add to viewport here. Okay, compile, and now let's test it. Okay, so if we hit play button here, and you can see our widget is come up to our viewport, and we just now press shift F1 and our mouse cursor is come on. This is the default function of our Unreal Engine project. So if I click follow, you can see our character follow us. And now if we move, you can see our character not following, continue following. So for this we have to set a thing here. When our character is follow our player character, for the continue we just search here for a delay. We add a delay here on success, on fail, and we also search here for follow. This means when our character complete to follow our player, when we move, our player is continuously follow our character, dynamically follow our player character. So compile now and let's test this. So if we hit play button here and if we press 2 shift F1 and select follow, you can see our character is following us now. And if we move from here, you can see our player is dynamically follow us, dynamically follow us. So this is good. Okay, now we are making a stop following option in our widget. Okay, so now we are open our widget blueprint here, go to the designer and we just copy this button, Ctrl T, and just drag it to here and rename the text is here stop. Okay, and change the button color is to the red. Okay, and also we are select here on click event here, and also we need our character because this is our MPC character command here. And here we also make a custom event in our BP MPC. You can see we made a custom event stop. So we search here stop. Okay, and here we have to add some function to our character. So so for the stop here, we just set our command here and select the command is stop here, and also we drag our character movement here and search stop active movement, and our character will stop immediately when we press this. But there is a arrow here we make here before we select here when our this event follow event is complete. You can see this is our follow event, and you can see when it's finished is also get the follow event, so we need to remove it. Here we get our command MPC command here, and here we make a switch here, switch on follow command. You can see this is our option none, follow and stop, and when it's complete we also switch the follow because we set here our follow. So for the follow you can see we drag it, AI move to. Okay, this means when our MPC follow our player character and is dynamically following our character, and when we press the stop, this will command our character to stop the movement. So let's test it. Okay, so now if we hit play button here, you can see we have a widget here. We select our mouse here and we just press follow, and you can see our character is following now. And if we just select stop, you can see our character is stop following our MPC is stop following our character. And now if we when press follow, you can see our character is following us again, dynamically following. And if we press again stop, our character is stop following us. So this is a easy tutorial for make a dynamically following our character, and this is a easy and short tutorial for beginner. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to know something from me, please comment on this video.